2016 Discovery 2. The Discovery 2 is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, cruise control, side airbag, 4-wheel drive, security system, power door locks, fog lights, sport package, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, intermittent wipers, sunroof, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tinted glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.